In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Canva with MailChimp for email design. If you want to make your email campaigns look more polished and professional, connecting Canva to MailChimp is a simple way to do it. This integration helps you bring your Canva designs directly into your MailChimp content library, which can save time and make your email creation process much smoother. To get started, open the MailChimp website in your browser. Once the site loads, go ahead and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you are using the correct account where you want your email designs to be available, since that will keep everything organized from the beginning. After you are inside MailChimp, look for the Content section. This is where MailChimp stores images, graphics, and other creative assets that you can use in your emails. Click on Content to open that area. Take a moment to make sure you are in the right place, because this is where the Canva connection begins. Inside the Content area, find Canva and click on it. Depending on the version of MailChimp you are using, the layout may look slightly different, but the Canva option should still be available within the Content Tools or Integrations area. Once you see it, select it to continue. Now click Connect to Canva. This will begin the integration process between the two platforms. After that, simply follow the prompts on your screen. In most cases, you will be asked to authorize the connection so MailChimp can access your Canva designs. Read each prompt carefully and approve the connection where needed. This part is usually quick, but it is important to go step by step so the setup completes correctly. As you move through the prompts, you may be asked to confirm permissions or choose the Canva account you want to connect. Just follow the on-screen instructions until the integration is finished. Once the connection is successful, your Canva design should become easier to access from within MailChimp, making it much more convenient to use them in your email projects. A helpful tip here is to wait for the confirmation message or final screen that shows the connection is complete before closing anything. That way, you can be confident the integration has been properly set up. And that's it. You have now connected Canva with MailChimp for email design. Once this is in place, creating visually consistent emails becomes a lot easier, especially if you already use Canva for branding and graphics.